With chateaux, we usually retain the design, the flamboyance, and the splendor to uphold the serenity, the harmony, and the richness that emanate from them. This is what makes the Chateau du Jonchet an incredible place, and Hubert de Givenchy an extraordinary châtelain. The manor served as a retreat for the grand couturier and his lifelong partner, fellow couturier Philippe Venet, and as an escape for friends, family, and their beloved Labradors. Here, in this haven of peace bordered by a rich forest, the couple could pursue their ceaseless quest for perfection and let their taste for beautiful things flourish. Hubert de Givenchy could nurture all things: flowers, ideas, friendships, and of course, art collections. For he was a gardener, but what a chic gardener. A refined connoisseur who knew how to capture the nobility of nature in works of art. The omnipresence of the latter makes Le Jonchet a true treasure of beauty in its magical woodland setting. Whether they were discovered by Hubert de Givenchy's meticulous collector's eyes, created by lifelong friends such as the Giacometti brothers, Diego and Alberto, or imagined by genius creators like François-Xavier Lalanne, each object had a life of its own. For Hubert de Givenchy, appreciation and engagement came not only from the beauty of the work of art, but also from its provenance. Thus, it is easy to understand the sentimental value associated with these majestic sculptures conceived by Jeannine Janet. To the left back leg, we see the initial CB for Cristobal Balenciaga, their original owner and mentor par excellence of Hubert de Givenchy. When we learn how much the French couturier admired the elegance and freedom of the stag, it is perhaps through his favorite animal that Hubert de Givenchy continues to watch over the Chateau du Jonchet. Its exquisite collection, its formal gardens, enhanced with the help of his dear friend and kindred spirit, Bunny Mellon, Hubert de Givenchy and Mrs. Mellon shared a lifelong passion for nature, but also her desire to leave a lasting legacy. In every corner of the estate, in every object, in every detail, Hubert de Givenchy infused his clarity of aesthetic vision, his sense of scale and proportion, his innate sense of how to balance the grand and the simple, the impressive and the charming, which give these places and objects their timeless modernity, leaving us with the impression that he has just left the grounds and making this chateau the place where Hubert de Givenchy's spirit lives on.